If you're looking for a small hatchback right now, two cars stand out: the Honda Civic Hatchback and the all-new Kia K4 Hatchback. One is known for reliability and balance, while the other is bold, modern, and packed with technology. So the real question is, which one is actually worth your money? Let's start with design. The Honda Civic Hatchback has a clean, simple, and mature design. It doesn't try too hard, and that's exactly why many people like it. It's the kind of car that will still look good years from now. The Kia K4 Hatchback, on the other hand, is aggressive and futuristic. Sharp lines, bold styling, and a design that clearly wants attention. So if you want something that stands out, the K4 is the better choice. But if you prefer something timeless, the Civic wins. Now let's move inside. The Kia K4 focuses heavily on technology. You get large screens, a modern layout, and advanced features that make the car feel very high-tech. It even offers features like ventilated seats, which are rare in this category. The Civic takes a different approach. The interior is clean, simple, and very well built. The materials feel high quality and everything is easy to use. It may not be as flashy, but it's very practical. So if you love tech and modern features, go for the K4. But if you want something simple and reliable for daily use, the Civic is the better option. When it comes to space, the K4 offers more room for rear passengers, making it more comfortable for people sitting in the back. However, the Civic offers better cargo space, making it more practical for everyday use, like groceries, luggage, or road trips. Now let's talk about performance. The Honda Civic Hatchback clearly has the advantage here. It offers stronger performance overall, especially with its hybrid option, which delivers both power and excellent fuel efficiency. The Kia K4 is decent, especially with its turbo engine, but it doesn't feel as refined or as smooth as the Civic. Now let's talk about price. The Kia K4 is more affordable, which makes it a great option if you're on a budget. It also comes with a long warranty, which adds extra peace of mind. The Civic costs more upfront, but it makes up for it with better reliability, better fuel economy, and stronger long-term value. So in the end, here's the final verdict. Choose the Kia K4 Hatchback if you want bold styling, modern technology, and a lower price. Choose the Honda Civic Hatchback if you want a more reliable, efficient, and well-rounded car. And the winner? The Honda Civic Hatchback. Because at the end of the day, it's simply the more complete package. So now I want to hear from you. Which one would you choose?